Shimla City Traffic Regulation and Management Plan has been released. The 70-page document made by the Shimla Police to adjust the town suggests remedies which are long-term and short-term. This town was made to accommodate a population of around 35,000, but at present there are 1.20 lakh vehicles registered in the town with parking space of only 2,500 vehicles, while 24,000 vehicles are parked off-road.
CITRAM is Shimla City Traffic Regulation and Management Plan. The plan speaks about increasing the mobility of the people, the mobility of vehicular traffic here. There are lots of Shimla-centric issues when it comes to traffic. Initially, the Shimla, our heritage city, was designed by Britishers and was not meant to hold and carry load of such a heavy traffic. There has been, of course, we all admit and understand there has been mismatch of road infrastructure. There has been a mismatch of traffic infrastructure. To just put on some numbers, as of now, there are around 1,20,000 vehicles registered in Shimla city. But against those 1,20,000 vehicles, we just have parking of 2,500 vehicles. And on record with the police and the RTA, we have almost 24,800 vehicles which are parked off-road. Of course, citizens have their own limitations. City infrastructure has its own limitation. Land is a scarce resource. We did a study last year during the closing of the year, where from 23rd of December 2020 to 3rd of January 2021, there were almost 1,43,000 vehicles that crossed Shulli. That means there is a huge influx of tourists here. We have local issues, we have pedestrians moving. As per one of the studies, 48% to 52% of people in Shimla prefer walking. But to the utter surprise, there are 16 to 18% pedestrian paths. We are not matched. It's either pedestrians or commuters or vehicles for children's, for business purposes. Shimla is not only the political capital; it is the economic capital. It is an education hub. It's a medical hub. It caters to lots of needs and requirements. It's an economic capital. You have a whooping business industry. You have a whooping tourism industry. So CITRAM thinks on all these micro parameters with a participatory approach from all the relevant departments, say administration, police, traffic police wing, MC, PWD, NH, IGMC, Secretariat, headquarters, everyone being engaged. We have designed a plan. This is on a planning side, I'm saying, and holistic and a futuristic plan, where alternate means of transport, where alternate means of based mobility things can be incorporated. We are thinking of a proper transport policy for the city. We are thinking of a pedestrian policy of the city. We are thinking of a comprehensive integrated mobility plan and policy for the city. Of course, on the other side, which is in our domain, is a proper traffic plan for the city. These 4-5 items CITRAM has incorporated. Much of the part is related to other departments, we understand, but we have thought of being a centrifugal figure so that we can incorporate with other departments. We can integrate other departments to provide comprehensive, a good solution, changing the macro picture of the city. CITRAM has come up with 3 measures, right? First is the human intervention. Of course, human intervention is traffic police responsibility. Little bit of RTA and RTOs which are with us as aides. Second are the remedial measures. Right now, you have long-term remedial measures, you have short-term remedial measures. Now again, bifurcating all these, there are measures which are related to the technical side. There are measures which are related to structural and infrastructural issues, and there are measures which can change or related to operational side. Staggering the time of the offices, movement, studying the pattern and analyzing the pattern of students' movement here, regulating traffic or vehicular traffic or per se goods traffic on limited hours or timings, on limited roads and timing. These are operational part. So operational, technical and structural, making a mix of it for a long term and short term and medium term is what CITRAM is all about.